नमस्ते ट्रेडर्स, आप सबका स्वागत है आफ्टर आवर्स विद बेरीज। बैंक निफ्टी ने एक डबल टॉप बना के एक फॉल आज दिखा और एक गैप डाउन, बहुत ही बड़ा गैप डाउन था ये आज। मतलब दैट इज व्हाट टुडे इज हैपेंड। नाउ व्हाट कैन हैपन टुमारो इज व्हाट वी ट्रेडर्स शुड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन। बहुत सारे चैनल just keep telling कि आज क्या हुआ. I don't see any value in that. I would like to tell you what can happen tomorrow, right? And that is why we always try to give you setups for tomorrow. So now again, today, if you guys have been following the channel, there is an hourly hammer, right? And Gandhar, if you could draw that Fibonacci levels that I
Yeah,
had mentioned,
yes.
if you take this swing low,
Yep.
and by the way, we had gone long in this hammer also, the one Gandhar is drawing. I exactly booked my ETFs at this top. You guys are like, ऐसा कैसा नहीं, ऐसा कैसा नहीं. Those levels were marked, and I had told that same exact levels when I went long in ETF. I had mentioned it way before, and the ETF made a high of 422. I booked at 420, and I bought at 403 with a stop loss of only 3 rupees. So it was a 1:7 trade, a very beautiful trade. And now some people might be like, that's how there's a video we made, no? We select an instrument according to the trades.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, Bang Bees, yeah. So, yeah, I think 422 is the high,
Hmm.
if I'm not wrong.
So 420 is your exit and 422 roughly was the high.
यस यस. अभी सब बोलेंगे ये तो टॉप नहीं है, पर ठीक है भाई. मेरे लिए तो मैंने आई my trade gave me a 1:7 risk to rewards, nothing like that. 3 rupees stop loss, that's it. So coming back to the setup again, on Bank Nifty, as we have drawn, if you can see 0.618 का support Bank Nifty ने लिया है और एक अच्छा हैमर बना है. I am expecting that ये हैमर के ऊपर लॉन्ग किया जा सकता है फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ द गैप फिल, जो कि है 41,200 के आसपास. ये रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड बहुत बढ़िया है इसमें. अगेन अगर आप देखोगे तो हैमर के नीचे आप चाहे तो और 50 पॉइंट्स या 40 पॉइंट्स का बफर देके सॉरी स्टॉप लॉस रख सकते हैं और लॉन्ग करेंगे. यही सेटअप है अभी के लिए. मैं शॉर्ट का नहीं सोच रहा जब तक 0.618 के नीचे I don't get a closing. If I get a closing there, then surely ये वापस जो hammer low है 39,600 वो टेस्ट हो सकता है. Moving on to Nifty. Yeah, that's the trade. Yes, that's the trade setup for tomorrow. If you guys want me to mark out the levels, just go behind. We'll give the levels if
Yeah.
because you had marked.
So roughly
So
40,500 comes out to be the entry, and as you said, gap cover. So roughly 41,200 comes out to be the target. So 1.8% target, about 0.6, 0.7% stop loss.
Again, please don't go and buy futures or options with such a big stop loss and target. If you can afford a future stop loss, please go ahead, or else buy ETF. Simple.
Yes. Shall we go to Nifty?
Yeah. So moving on to Nifty.
Yeah, there it is. So do you see any setup?
This is a good consolidation. No, I don't see any setup. There is no forcing a setup here. These are just pin bar, so really no setup. But because of it is at the bottom, I would have liked it if it would have crossed 17,255 and made this setup and made this consolidation, so that we could have been like now. Because what can happen is not that like it's too much of I think again trying to put a setup on it, but what I think can happen is because people will think to go long here, it might just open a little gap down, do the hunt at 255, the 17,255, and then fill the gap. That might be an extreme level of price, but yeah, something that can happen to trap people because there's a gap down. Yeah, that is what I'm like. This is trapping both the sides, the shorters also and the buyers also. So very likely scenario. Let's see. But in Bank Nifty, there's a different setup that is altogether happened. That is, don't mix two instruments here because I see it's easy for the institutions if they want to take the stop losses at 55, they will surely try and target that and then go fill the gap. Let's see if this plays out on Monday.
Yes,
no
definitely
setup in
interesting
Nifty,
to
so
see.
let's not. This is something I like to, because keep seeing price moving. Like keep seeing charts. So something like a theory. Let's put it a theory. Let's see if this.
Hmm. Oh, I think Kshitij has a connection problem there.
And I'm back.
Hmm.
Yeah. Sorry, I think there's some technical glitch that happened.
Yeah.
So yeah, moving on to stocks. Yeah, you have anything in stocks?
Not really. Just I want to update a couple of setups that I have been mentioning. One was this Asian Paints, which is not a conventional setup because uh, first this is a trend line which has acted as a resistance, then as a support, and then again as a resistance. So this is not the setup that you usually find in technical analysis books, but just something that I had observed over and over again, which is why I had taken this setup. I was short this level, not futures, spreads. So now I'm comfortably, at least the spread is comfortably in profit. And another reason why we keep saying you should look at the trade and then decide the instrument, this trade would, I mean, it worked even if I had taken futures, this would have worked. But let us show our viewers another trade which would have gone terribly wrong if I had taken futures. That is also a short side trade, and that is of Vedanta. And I remember on this large green candle I had taken the short trade for 280 level, and simple reason breakdown, and we are sort of testing this level from the downside, and I was overall bearish on the metal index, which is why I had taken the trade. And no doubt, as you can see, immediately the next I mean one day the market behaved. After that we had what, a 5% move in the other direction. So in futures with leverage, I would have been down 25% on this position before it came back to my cost. But because I was in option
Yeah.
spread, the max loss I think I saw on this position was some $800, and now it's again at cost. So definitely such kind of trades, as you said, I look at the setup and then I decide the instrument. This is another such example. Uh, I do
While
have
you were
a,
talking about the metal stocks, we missed a very good entry by the way in Hindalco. I was traveling, that is why I couldn't. But you just get the chart of Hindalco. Wow. I was just going through it, and we really missed the retest that we keep missing. But that was a very good shot. We
yeah.
were waiting for. I was waiting. Yeah, if you would see that black candle, yeah, the
Hmm.
one.
And in fact, this is the kind
No
of,
doubt, we were waiting for 427.
yeah, but then this is the kind of indecision sort of setup we keep seeing at places,
Yeah.
the normal hammer, inverted hammer, then another indecision candle. So would have been a
It is
little,
it is the new pattern. I don't know what are they doing. एक hammer के साथ एक hammer free दे रहे हैं उन लोग.
yeah. We should backtest this pattern on at least daily time frame and see whether it yields something interesting.
But it doesn't generally give a direction out. I don't know how do we, but we'll see. We'll try and figure out if there is a pattern to be found.
Yeah, what we can try to find out is whether this is a symbol of exhaustion rather. So whether I mean we
Yeah.
can sort of check if this level holds, if this pattern forms or something along those lines. That's just for
Or if we see continuation towards the downside only, or if the
hmm.
main direction of the trend keeps continuing, something like
That
that.
we can see on smaller time frame also nothing. Yeah, so Hindalco, yeah, as you said, looks like we have missed the entry in this, but I guess there are only so many stocks you can trade. Another two swing trades that I had found, one was Cipla, and Cipla again after a very big and very time consuming down move, 25% down move, it is at this level, and we had discussed this long time back. We will take a partial entry here, and then we will see how the stock behaves, because there is another support which is more likely to hold than this one. So at least for the time being, it looks like it has held this level, 18,875,
Yes.
and I am in this cash swing. We will see how this plays out. And another one with similar setup was Sunpharma. Again, support resistance kind of structure, and this at least looks a little better than Cipla. Gives more conviction that
Yes.
there is momentum on the upside, but we will see how that plays out. So these are the swing trades that are going currently. I don't see any other trades really in the market anywhere. What about you?
No. As I was traveling also a lot, I was really, to be very honest, not gone through my list also. So I don't want to give out any. I was tracking IEX very closely, but again, because I was traveling, I missed a lot of entries. I wanted to short it today, but it did recover all. I think. If you can open now the IEX chart.
Yeah, here it is. Can you see the chart?
No, I think my internet is really okay. Now I can see it. So okay. Yeah, so guys, we've been telling you about the 153 level in IEX. Now I really think now if it tests for the second, third time, we are gonna get to see a very good up move.
So
yeah, something that I'm keeping an eye now.
Okay, so you're expecting a breakout from this level basically.
Yeah, if price does not go below the 140 levels and keeps consolidating or makes like a cup and handle, something like that. If there's a if price spends a lot more time near 153 levels, yes, I will expect a breakout there.
So we will track this. There is now some positive chatter going on in the fundamental investing community as well regarding IEX once again. So that might just push the stock up. We will see.
Great. Yeah.
Anything? Just
I think
last one, Bajaj
no.
Fin. I had mentioned this in yesterday's show. It did take support in here, and it might actually move up. So a really good setup. And very few
it's a
ones
good setup. Yeah, I might take it tomorrow.
Yeah, in fact today I because I already have a lot of Bajaj Fin in cash, I did not add to my position. Otherwise I was really looking forward to this setup. I guess it's okay. Once the account grows a little, I can add later.
Yeah.
Alrighty, anything else that we have to share with our viewers?
Nah.
Alrighty, shall we wrap it up then? So guys, thanks for tuning in to After Hours with Bereez. This was Kshitij and Gandhar. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And the first link in the description will be of our newly started newsletter, the first article of which will be sent out on this Sunday. So make sure you subscribe to that as well. And thanks for watching.